Puducherry, also known as Pondicherry, is one of the 8 union territories of India. It is the 29th most populous and the third most densely populated of the states and union territories of India. The city has many colonial buildings, churches, temples, and statues, making it a major tourist destination of South India. It has good infrastructure in urban as well as in rural areas. Pondicherry has a good network of banks in urban, semi-urban, and rural areas. It has the availability of natural resources that fulfill the industrial requirements. Pondicherry Port provides connectivity to major ports of India as well as outside the country. Agriculture and tourism are the major contributors to the economy of Pondicherry. Agriculture is the traditional occupation and the major crops are ragi, bajra, and pulses. Fishing is also one of the main sources of livelihood in Pondicherry as the city has about 50 kilometers of sea coastline. Leather products form the largest item of export from the region. Also, the material sources such as land, cultivable area, irrigation, minerals available in the district play an important role in the economy of Pondicherry. Other major industries include chemicals, textiles, light engineering, metals, and food processing. The city has the presence of over 1,700 units producing chemical and chemical-based products. Pondicherry has various large-scale industries and public sector units such as Swadeshi Cotton Mills, the Pondicherry Co-op Spinning Mills Limited, TVS, Whirlpool Limited, MRF Limited, Pondicherry Distilleries Limited, Wipro Limited, etc. It is also a part of the Smart City Mission by the Government of India. Ongoing projects under Smart City missions are Smart Water Metering, Water ATM, Recycled Water Network, ICT on Solid Waste Management, Improved Storm Water Drainage System, etc. Now, let's understand the strengths and weaknesses of the city. Strengths: major tourist attraction from all over the world. Solar energy policy aiming to make solar energy as the principal energy source. Weaknesses: lack of proper drainage infrastructure, limited availability of fresh water, and limitations on augmenting fresh water potential have made Pondicherry dependent on the neighboring cities. Opportunities: emerging markets showing potential in various industries like real estate, entertainment, healthcare, etc. Threats: affected by extreme weather events like flood due to its coastal nature. Untapped business opportunities in Pondicherry. Experts analysis. Pondicherry has tremendous opportunities for investment in hotels, resorts, amusement parks, and spas. All are lucrative sectors. Also, the government is supporting investment in Pondicherry by increasing subsidies. Sectors such as marine products, leather products, and ecotourism are some of the areas where an investment boost is expected in Pondicherry. Untapped marine resources offer huge scope for investment in packaged marine products and marine processing plants. If you want to know more about business opportunities in Pondicherry, get this report now. MROAR, Market Resource and Opportunity Analysis Report. This report will help you understand the top 20 most feasible, potential, and profitable business ideas across the domain for the region. All these mentioned ideas are based on the research done by our experts. These experts have analyzed regions on various bases like demography, climate, resources availability, infrastructure, culture, and market. We have done this research for more than 100 plus cities till now. So if you want to know the most feasible, profitable business idea for your city, then inquire with us. If you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to know about the most interesting facts and potential business ideas for another city.